Dive into dropshipping, your ticket to entrepreneurship. Hey there, future business moguls. Ever dreamed of starting your own online store without the hassle of inventory, packing, or shipping? That's where dropshipping comes in, my friend. It's like having a magical storefront where products magically appear on your customers' doorsteps. No warehouses, no packing peanuts, just pure entrepreneurial magic. Intrigued? You should be. Dropshipping is your golden ticket to launching a business with minimal risk and maximum flexibility. Get ready to dive in and discover a world of possibilities. Let's break it down and see if dropshipping is your perfect match. Trust me, this could be the start of something amazing. Okay, let's demystify dropshipping. Imagine this. You create a stunning online store showcasing trendy clothes, cool gadgets, or anything that sparks joy. A customer, let's call her Sarah, falls head over heels for a vintage-inspired sundress on your site. She hits buy now. Here's the magic: you forward Sarah's order and details to your dropshipping supplier, who then ships the dress directly to her. You're the middle woman, connecting eager shoppers with awesome products without ever touching the inventory yourself. Think of it as being a matchmaker, but for products and customers. You focus on what you're good at, building your brand, marketing like a boss, and providing stellar customer service. Your dropshipping partner handles the rest. It's a beautiful, efficient dance of entrepreneurship. Ready for some good news? Dropshipping comes with a whole lot of perks, especially for newbies dipping their toes into the entrepreneurial waters. 1. Low startup costs. Say goodbye to hefty upfront investments in inventory. You only pay for products when a customer places an order. This means you can launch your dream business with a fraction of the traditional costs. 2. Location freedom. Laptop and Wi-Fi. You're in business, baby. Run your dropshipping empire from anywhere in the world. Beachfront office, anyone? 3. Flexibility is queen. No need to be tied to a physical store or strict inventory schedules. Want to test a new product line? Go for it. Need to adjust your hours? You're the boss. 4. Scalability is key. As your business grows, and it will, your dropshipping partner scales with you. They handle the increased order volume so you can focus on taking over the world one sale at a time. See? Dropshipping is all about empowering you to become the CEO of your dreams. Section 4. Top platforms for your dropshipping journey. All right, ready to build your online empire? These platforms are your trusty sidekicks. 1. The queen bee of e-commerce platforms. Shopify is super user-friendly, even for tech newbies. It seamlessly integrates with tons of dropshipping apps and offers gorgeous, customizable themes to make your store pop. 2. Known for its drag-and-drop simplicity, Wix makes building a stunning website a breeze. They've got a dedicated dropshipping app market, making it easy to find your perfect product match. 3. If aesthetics are your jam, Squarespace is your new BFF. Their award-winning templates are guaranteed to make your store stand out from the crowd. They also offer seamless integrations with top dropshipping tools. Each platform has its own strengths and pricing plans, so do your research and choose the one that aligns with your business goals. Remember, your platform is your virtual storefront, so make it shine. Section 5. Launching your dropshipping empire, a step-by-step guide. All right, future tycoon, let's turn that dream into a reality. Here's your step-by-step guide to launching your very own dropshipping business. 1. What lights your fire? Passion is key. Choose a niche that resonates with you and has a hungry target market. 2. We just covered some awesome options. Select the platform that best suits your needs and budget. 3. Research time. Explore dropshipping marketplaces like Salehoo, Spocket, and Doba to find high-quality products that align with your niche and offer decent profit margins. 4. Make it a masterpiece. Choose a stunning theme, write captivating product descriptions, and showcase those gorgeous product photos. 5. This is the logistical backbone of your business. Choose reliable payment gateways like PayPal or Stripe and set up shipping rates. Congratulations, you're officially open for business. Now go out there and make some magic happen. Section 6. Finding your niche. What will you sell to the world? Choosing your niche is like picking the perfect outfit. It should reflect your style and resonate with your target audience. Need some inspiration? Think about, are you a fitness fanatic, a tech geek, or a passionate foodie? Your passions can guide you towards a niche you'll love. What's hot right now? Keep an eye on social media trends, popular marketplaces, and industry news to spot potential winners. Can you offer a solution to a common problem or pain point? People love products that make their lives easier, more efficient, or more enjoyable. Remember, your niche should be specific enough to target a defined audience, but broad enough to allow for growth and expansion. Don't be afraid to get creative and think outside the box. Section 7. Ready, set, dropship. Your adventure awaits. There you have it, my friend. You're now armed with the knowledge and tools to launch your very own dropshipping empire. Remember, success takes time, effort, and a whole lot of hustle. Believe in yourself, stay curious, and never stop learning. The world of e-commerce is yours to conquer. Now go out there and make your entrepreneurial dreams a reality. I'm cheering for you every step of the way.